bad news, but I got some news. Yeah, I'm back. I was gone for a sec, now I'm back. On a unwanted vacation where I was at. Time to get the thoughts right back in my head. Bearer of bad news, yeah, I'm back. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I got some news, yeah, I'm back. First day out, all I needed padding, something to write with. Going out, now I'm in the booth and I'm going in. Feel some type of way, well I tell you now I feel the same. Ain't nobody give me a pop, man, to piss in. Mama never held my hand, running around wildin'. That's what the older Zoes call me. My god brother KG, blacker than any African, but he's smoother than any criminal that I ever seen. Y'all already know who my right hand man is, Mr. Teflon, any living little Pakistan. Man, I missed my man while I was gone in the can. All I had time to do, man, was sit back and think, reconstruct my brain. Now I'm ready to get back in the paint. Double dribble turnover, now I'm playing defense. Hard pull in the water is more like single swim. The way that I'm smoking, call it the ocean twins.
KWIK, daily devotions. You know, people in the world really think that somebody owes them something. And you need to understand that the only person that's gonna give you something is the presence of God that's in you. You looking for somebody to do something for you? That's you need to go holler at, is the presence of God in you. Like, all this looking for a handout, that's what a handout said. He gonna give you the handout. You know, we need to stop looking at it out, just depend on society. But the day that you start honestly looking to the God within you, all the handouts you've been looking for, they've been waiting for you. They've been waiting for you. And it really feels good when you get there, when you see that and understand that. Because what it's gonna do for you is help you. How is it gonna help you? You will see when the time comes. But just imagine how it can help. Imagine just how life is for you right now. And imagine how necessarily if you got a handout from the God within you. Only you know what sincerely you need. And only the God within you, knows how to deal with what it is that you sincerely need. So that's why I say all this looking for to society or someone else is honestly not the correct way to be going about things. Because first, look for the God within you. See, someone like me, like what I mean by bringing myself up is, let's say someone is sick or of some such, and they want to get well, but they can't bring themselves to that state of being, of seeing and feeling that wish fulfilled. I can impose for that person, you know what I mean? Honestly, sincerely, and see them in good health. Doesn't cost you anything, not $1. Sincerely, all you have to do is ask. That's why I say send me like emails or write me, so that way I can sincerely do that. Anything that I do, it has nothing to do with cost because it comes from the divine himself. You can do it too yourself, it's just you're not there yet, and you will get there. See, you gotta remember we're always working with mind. And let's say this in the first person. I am always working with mind. Say it again to yourself. I am always working with mind. You are. You're always working with mind. Even if you don't know the science of it. Like, if you know the science of mind, our mind science. However you want to like grammar it, to be real with you, we're always working with it. And it will help you achieve. It will help you get to success, to the things that you want. Many times when people seek wealth, riches, they don't identify themselves with it. Health, they don't identify themselves with it. Sometimes they'll see other healthy people or other wealthy people or material wealth or physical health, or they'll say that's for them, that's for the rich people. Oh, that person, they take care of themselves. For this person, like, you have to be that person to see that, right? And even when you see your body is cringing like that and talking like that, stop. Abruptly stop and turn that feeling around. And what I mean by is receive what you're seeing from that person and say, I see myself like that. Begin to proclaim that rather than saying, oh, that's for that person. No, you can get that too. You can get that vibration. You can get that health you want. You can get that wealth you want. What you see is what you get, is what I'm trying to tell you. What you see is what you get. What you see is what you get. You get it? And you have to understand it. Once we start to really get to understand that, you'll understand what, you know what I mean, number 8 mean, what quadruple 8 mean, you know what I mean, what, 88 mean. And really 8 itself, flip it on the side, is abundance. God speaks in the universal language. Just like how we put LOL, God got his own lingo too. For real, for real. I'm gonna keep thugging for the spirit, you feel me? Keep thugging for the spirit.